here at Life in Bloom, we want Flower Cocktail Hour to be as beautiful as it is delicious. And today's garden gimlet doesn't disappoint. We'll start with basil. I love the blue African basil, and we'll muddle it along with a little bit of simple syrup. We'll add some ice. Then we use a jigger of gin. This is a special flower-infused gin. That'll be perfect. Then we'll add about 2 tablespoons or so of lime juice. Now here's where the beautiful part comes in. We've got ice cubes that have flowers inside. We'll finish it with sparkling soda. Our beautiful garden gimlet.